Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. World AIDS Day. Every year, millions of people around the world come together to remember, reflect, and renew the fight against HIV and AIDS. But behind the facts and figures are real people, fathers, mothers, friends, who continue to live, love, and lead despite the stigma. If you believe in compassion, equality, and saving lives, this World AIDS Day, share this video to break the silence, fight the stigma, and stand with millions, because awareness saves lives. In this powerful documentary, we take you through the journey of how the world is changing the story of HIV, one life at a time. Stay tuned to the end, as we share two real testimonies of hope, survival, and transformation that will touch your heart. Theme: Communities Leading Change, Together for an AIDS-Free Generation. What is HIV and AIDS? HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It is a virus that attacks the body's immune system, making it harder to fight infections and diseases. If not treated, HIV can lead to AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. It is the final stage of HIV, where the immune system becomes very weak. But the good news is that with early testing and proper treatment, most people with HIV never develop AIDS and can live long, healthy lives. World AIDS Day was first observed on December 1, 1988, after it was adopted by the United Nations to raise awareness, fight prejudice, and improve education around HIV, AIDS. Since then, it has become a global call to action, a day to support people living with HIV and to remember those we have lost. The theme, Communities Leading Change, Together for an AIDS-Free Generation, reminds us that it takes all of us, governments, health workers, families, and communities, to end the epidemic. Why it matters to society and nation building. HIV, AIDS is not just a health issue, it's a human issue. When one person is affected, a whole family, workplace, and community feels it. Ending HIV, AIDS means healthier children, stronger workers, and a more united nation. It's about giving people a chance to live fully and contribute to society without shame or fear. Just a quick break, please. If you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Testimony 1, Michael's story. My name is Michael, and I was diagnosed with HIV at the age of 22. At first, I felt like my life was over. But when I met a counselor at the local clinic, everything changed. I got on treatment, joined a support group, and today, I work as a volunteer helping others. I am living proof that HIV is not the end, it's a new beginning with the right help. Testimony 2, Esther's story. My name is Esther. I found out I was HIV positive while pregnant. I was scared for my baby. But thanks to early testing and medication, I gave birth to a healthy, HIV-free baby girl. Today, I run a mother's circle in my village to help other women stay informed and strong. Thanking the unsung heroes, we want to thank the silent warriors, the nurses, caregivers, counselors, community workers, and volunteers, who work behind the scenes every single day. Your compassion, courage, and commitment to saving lives. You are the backbone of the fight, and we honor you. A call to action: if you have not yet taken a step, whether it's getting tested, starting treatment, or simply learning more, now is the time. HIV is not a death sentence anymore. With support and medicine, people with HIV live long, full lives. Let's break the silence. Let's break the stigma. Get involved. Get informed. Get tested. Together, we are building a world where no one is left behind. A world where everyone has a chance to live with dignity and health. Happy World AIDS Day. Let's keep fighting, keep caring, and keep hoping. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, the silent warriors, the nurses, caregivers, counselors, community workers, and volunteers, who work behind the scenes every single day to save lives. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbe Tere. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 2nd of December, International Day for the Abolition of Slavery. The 3rd of December, International Day of Persons with Disabilities. The 4th of December, International Day Against Unilateral Coercive Measures. The 4th of December, International Day of Banks. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.